Walmart has recently changed the criteria for winning the Walmart Pro Seller Badge. If you know it, congratulations. If you don't, then I'm gonna guide you all through it. Like what is the Pro Seller Badge, what is the criteria, the benefits, and how to win the Walmart Pro Seller Badge. This is Sakib from Ecomclips, your host for today's video. So let's get started. Basically, Walmart Pro Seller Badge is kinda similar to Amazon badges. And the difference is Amazon badges are product specific and Walmart Pro Seller Badge is actually seller specific. So you can say Walmart is inspired by Amazon badges. It appears next to a seller's business name throughout the entire journey of Walmart.com. In search results, you can filter out the pro sellers. On the product detail page, there will be a badge, Pro Seller Badge, dedicated seller pages, and in the shopping cart. In simple words, Pro Seller Badge is a great way to boost your sales and increase the business in Walmart Marketplace. All the listings with Pro Seller Badge are made to stand out, so sellers like you can boost your product visibility on Walmart.com. Plus, when there is a Pro Seller Badge, customers give it priority. Like, if I see a Pro Seller Badge on a product detail page, I'll think that the seller consistently providing great shopping experience and high quality items. This builds customer confidence in the sellers. As a whole, sellers with Pro Seller Badge will get an increase in conversion rate. So you can say it's a win-win. Now let's see where to find the Pro Seller Badge status. First, log into Walmart Seller Central, then go to the Growth Opportunity section. Here you will be able to check the Pro Seller eligibilities and status. Here you can see our status is become a Pro Seller. This status means you haven't met all the criteria of a Pro Seller Badge. So you will need to make some improvements to get it. There are other status like if you see you are a Pro Seller, then it means you are already a Pro Seller on Walmart.com. You will also see the date you received the badge, and if you see Pro Seller Badge at risk, this means you received the badge during the last Walmart refresh cycle. And if you don't meet the criteria, in the next refresh cycle, you will lose the Walmart Pro Seller Badge. Also, sometimes you might see the Walmart Pro Seller Badge status as locked. This means you can't access the Pro Seller Badge program at this time. This could be because your account hasn't been active on a 90 days period after it has been on board. You will see your eligibility date under the Pro Seller heading. And lastly, if you see you are ineligible, that means you are not eligible for participating in this program. So make sure you are abiding by the Walmart Marketplace policies and guidelines. So what are the criteria that you need to fill up to be a pro seller on Walmart.com? If you click here, you will see the criteria. For this seller, we made 3 criteria here. However, let me tell all the criteria to you. First, the on-time delivery should be greater than or equal to 95% in the last 90 days. The cancellation rate should be less than or equal to 1.5% in the last 90 days. Seller response rate should be greater than or equal to 95% in the last 30 days. Difference between actual and promised delivery should be less than or equal to 2 calendar days difference. Weekend delivery, that means Saturday or Sunday delivery, should be activated. Lag time should be less than or equal to 1 business day for entire category. Like when you will get the order, you have to process the shipment within 1 day. That is the lag time, okay? Order should be more than 250 in the last 90 days. That means in last 90 days, customer should purchase from you at least 250 orders. The sellers need to be active for the last 90 days. That means you can't go for vacation for last 90 days. Then it will be ineligible for you. You should also remember that you have to be active on Walmart.com for the last 90 days. And also following all the criteria, only then you will be available and your Pro Seller Badge will be activated. If you meet all these criteria, Walmart will automatically grant the badges to your entire category. If you don't see the badge in the next refresh cycle, despite having meeting all the criteria, then you can create a case with the Walmart Support Center. To qualify for the Pro Seller Badge, use the following tools and dashboard in the Walmart Seller Central. Firstly, listing quality and rewards. you can custom the report and analyze what you should do when you are managing the products, and you can do this from this dashboard. Orders and fulfillment. You have to always check the orders and their delivery times and the valid tracking rates and on-time delivery rate, how many items are cancelled. You have to check those parts in this section. And lastly, trust and safety. Whenever you will got any strike, sometimes you can got the strike from the Walmart, so you have to resolve this from this dashboard. And that's all for today. I hope now you understand how you can win the Walmart Pro Seller Badge. And if you have any more questions or any queries, then comment below, or you can mail us at info@ecomclips.com. Also, you can call us and book a same-day consultation with us, and that will be free. Our numbers are floating on the screen, so call now. You can also check out our website, that is www.ecomclips.com, for more references, more videos, and more blogs that you might need for your business. We have more than 300 experts who are helping and managing e-commerce business for last 12 years. So we'd like to help you and work for you too. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Peace.